Commercial standards. Our ARC 1130s is part of our commercial rice cooker line, allowing for restaurant-quality rice to be prepared on a commercial level. Fluffy rice. Every time, get more without sacrificing quality. Your rice, whether you're cooking 10 cups or 60, will always come out deliciously fluffy and be a perfect complement to any meal. Large capacity. Our commercial rice cookers are our largest yet. With the ARC 1130s having the ability to make 60 cups of prepared rice at once, your cooking time will easily be cut in half. Accessories. The ARC 1130s comes with 2 rice measuring cups, a stainless steel lid, non-stick inner pot, and a plastic rice spatula. Rice doubles in volume when cooked. This unit is a 30-cup uncooked, 60-cup cooked capacity rice cooker. Perfectly prepares up to 60 cups of any variety of cooked rice. Durable body and heavy-duty stainless steel lid for continuous use. Simple, electronic operation with automatic keep warm. Easy to clean, non-stick removable inner pot. Includes rice measuring tumbler and serving spatula. For commercial use only. Top reviews from the United States. The best rice cooker. This rice cooker is phenomenal. Cooks up to 10 pounds of rice at once and steams rice perfectly. It also keeps rice hot for hours. The inner container comes out and the non-stick surface allows for simple cleanup. The rice just falls out. I consistently, at least once a week, use this item for my catering business. In fact, I purchased another unit to have 2 rice cookers going at once. If you love to cook, this thing is gorgeous and you will be proud of it.